Hey, what's up, Transformers fan? This is another video, another Transformer goodie video. This time it's going to be on Takara Tommy Transformers, Transformers Takara Tommy Air Raid. Uh, it's not the darker the U.S. version; it's the Japanese version. So I'm going to show you the Japanese version. Here he is. I really like it. It's actually pretty cool. It's got some nice paint apps. There it is in jet mode. Comes with this mech tech weapon. Pretty neat. It's got some nice colors in it. It's got the red going. I put those symbols on. I thought about symbols. But it's pretty neat. I mean, I like it. It's kind of like the Revenge of the Fallen Breakaway. It's just a repaint of that and of Revenge of the Fallen Thrust. But it's probably one of the best jet modes you can get in deluxe class. I think it's better than the Dark of the Moon Starscream. It's not that bad on the bottom. It doesn't look so bad. Or it doesn't look bad at all on the back either. But it's pretty cool. I like it. I like the color on it. It also comes with a new head sculpt. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and transform it. It's very easy. Just flip up the wings here. And it's kind of tricky sometimes though. I like to put down the legs first. I get this piece going up here. Let me see. There it is, just pop that up. And you could just take the hands off here. Slide that up. Let's keep that closed for now. Well, actually I can open it up a little bit. Very cool figure. I like it. When I saw pictures of it, I just like the colors on it. And then go all the way to front. Separate the hands here. Put the hands all the way forward. And there you go. It's ready. Flip this up. You're supposed to flip it. There you go. And then in the back, there's a little hook there. You can see. Just flip this up. Just hook this up right there in the back. There you go. Nice. Just slide these up like this. And there is a air raid in his robot mode. Oh, wait a minute, there you go. Supposed to flip it up. There he is. Pretty cool. I like it. He can barely move his head inside. You have to just touch his top right here, and you can move it barely. It just moves right to left. There you go. Move to the. See, you can barely move it. There you go. Move to the. Let me show you closer here. It's pretty cool. I like the. Oh, I gotta put the. There you go. Pretty cool. I like it. I like the paint apps. There he is. And then this mech tech weapon goes on here. There it is. Just stretch out his hand. Let's get him a good pose here. There it is. No. Let's flip these down here. There you go. Hold on, let me fix it up a little bit here. There you go. I like it. It's here goes Takara Tommy Dark of the Moon Air Raid. I like the color on it. It's got some colors here and there, red, blacks, and a little bit of green. Doesn't look so bad. I like the roll mode and the jet mode. It's pretty cool. And here he is next to Breakaway from Revenge of the Fallen. It's just the same, it's a different color and a different head mold. Here's Breakaway. Yep, I said Breakaway doesn't come with a mech tech. Of course, that's Revenge of the Fallen. So there's a Air Raid of Dark of the Moon, Takara Tommy. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe and leave comments. Tell me what you think of Air Raid. Just looking at one more time. Pretty cool. Mech tech. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and this has been another review for 1980 Han Solo Transformers. Thanks, guys. Yeah.